There's kitties that I have that have special needs.
Round one. Fight! Sure you can!
What the fuck?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
What's up, guys? Got some new lighting here in the kitchen. Should be a little bit brighter. Might be too bright. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, I keep dropping my merch, trying to, get it out there. I forgot to tell you guys, I put it on my Facebook page, but if you use discount code, it's like ONREC20. I'll put it up here on the screen. You get free shipping. I have Build Series stickers, I have Stewie stickers, I have ONREC stickers, and a couple different shirts. That's all I'm going to have for right now. Here in the future, I will update it, put different stuff on there. But that sale for free shipping is good until the end of April. So if you want to get some stuff and you want to get it a little cheaper, you want to get it before the end of April. Oh, much better. I think I'll put a white one on over here. I need to do some serious rearranging of the shop. Like, I don't know if I'm going to do it right now, but the bikes are going to move. The workbench, or the seat, needs to be a seat again. Bruh. I just keep piling stuff on it. I need to make more shelving to put, like, stuff like this on. But I want to move all that stuff. I can maybe I'll leave one in the corner. Man, that one is crooked as all get out. What is going on with that thing? Anyways, that one I'll probably put back in the back corner. The chemicals, TV, and stuff, I kind of want to move it over here with it, and then maybe put the other one over there. And I want to make my workbench bigger and maybe put some storage over there. I don't know what I want to do yet. I definitely want to have some racks here. Just back in a little bit so I can put stuff on, but that's not this episode. We need to get this bodywork done on this thing. I don't have the lights on this side right now. I just have the garage door open because it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day in Mount Union, PA. A ridge, birds are chirping. It's nice.
Bruh.
Here, check that out. I got a temporary solution from my temporary solution. Ha! My bike racks. They work perfect. Those things do. I might have to get more of them. And then I can tilt them back, and yeah, that's pretty sweet, actually. I might get more of those. They aren't that expensive. So one of the items that I ordered for the Lancer just came in the mail. It's not really a big deal to you guys, but like stuff like this, I like. These are OEM style side skirt clips. Most of them broke when they came out, and I got a universal kit of pins and clips and stuff, and they have ones like this in it, but they don't work the same. They're very tight. You almost have to drill the holes out to make them fit. So these go in every one of these, and they'll go in very easily. Very nicely made, and they're cheap. It just took me a while to get them because I ordered them a while ago, but they're here now. So anyways, we'll have to clean all this up and get that adhesive tape off and everything, but yeah, nice. First things first, I'm going to tackle this fiberglass right here that I need to put on the inside of this to reinforce it. So let's get to it. I'm not going to bore you guys with doing 3 layers of that. You get the idea. I got one layer on. I got 2 more to go. While that's drying, I'm going to start on this fender because it needs some body work. I'm going to unbolt the bumper so I can bring it down a little bit away from it because I don't want to be sanding on the bumper or anything. And as you can see, I still need to get this corner in a little bit, and I kind of got that corner lined up. That's just going to be a putty job right there, basically. And then the rest of these, there's some dents you can slightly see up across here to make this line. We need to make this line more crisp, and then the rest of it is down here. I'm going to work on this. Hello! Puttied this up. Well, sanded it, puttied it, both parts. We'll get those smooth. I'm pretty sure I got enough on there. I forgot about this part. I wanted to add a little bit to it. Put another layer of fiberglass over in here. I kind of brought it up, so I'll trim that off after I'm done. I got one more layer I want to put on that, and I got to get started on this. So first off, I guess I'll disassemble it. So we're gonna have to flip it over, but door handle's got to go. Everything. This has to go because, like I said, there's no chrome on my door. It's got a black one. Let's start disassembling. Other than taking the door handle off, this is where I'm going to stop here. I'm going to tape all this. Well, I'm going to have to peel this up to get to the door handle. But we'll tape all this center area off and tape across the top here in the glass. Cover that. I wish I could have took this up. The window wasn't down the whole way. And you basically had to take the window out to get this trim off. And I'm not really worried about it, because the trim's going to cover most of this. So we're going to have to get inside there to get that door handle out. And I don't know, now looking at it, I don't know if I can do it with the window down. Boy, that sucks. This thing had Rockford Fosgate speakers in it, and they're not going back in because that one doesn't have them. And what is the use of having one Rockford Fosgate speaker on the door and the rest of them not? Also, I busted the mounting tabs. I couldn't figure out how these speakers, they just twist. You twist them and they come out. See how that tab is? I busted the other two off. Couldn't figure it out. But yeah, I'm just a little destructive. Not worried about taking that door off right now. I'm going to leave it on there for now, but I need to get back to my bodywork, and I'll show you guys the result. Who else works in their garage and watches themselves on TV at the same time? Or is that just me?
When I get nervous, my bird does that, and that's what's happening.
Now let's say the side skirts.
Bruh.
I mean, it's bomb this time. No.
I'm glad to have a little video.
What the hell? Are you serious? Oh. Good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been really good. Alright, took a short break from filming because my buddy came over, brought me another project. Nothing big. It's just a side job. It's a Kodiak. It's a Kodiak 450, 4-wheel drive. I can't remember what year it is. 05 maybe. I'm probably going to put some tires on, some bearings, a couple small odds and ends. I already serviced the thing. But there's a boot on the rear swing arm. I got to take the whole rear off. We got a bad bearing in the back. And the boot is tore on the swing arm where it pivots. There's a squeaking noise in the front, and the brake lever is busted up here. So, like I said, it's just gonna be a little small job. I might video it, I might not. It's just when I have downtime, I'll probably be working on that just a little bit. He doesn't need it until like the end of summer. He's stationed away and he's not going to be around for a while, so I told him in my spare time I'd work on it and get it all serviced up for him, so when he goes on hunting trips it's good for him and he knows it will be reliable. Like I said, it is reliable, but he needs some bearings replaced because I already did service it. Now I was in the middle of sanding these side skirts. I just went over them with 320. I got that when I was in the middle of doing this one. You can tell the difference looking at them. So I'm going to finish this one off. Then I'm going to move over to this door. In the meantime, I already did put the last bit of fiberglass on there. It's actually dry and hard.
Oh, behave. Yeah.
Ow! Turned out pretty good. I'll have to cut this extra film off right here and then maybe put some body filler in here on top of that. This side, I just added some more putty. I had some small spots, but getting it sanded down pretty good. Across here, I got a little spot down here yet to do, but we're getting there. I'm doing all this stuff. I'm going to jump over there back to here and, you know, getting it. getting tired. All I got to do is flip this door over. I'm gonna sand the other side. I was gonna wet sand. I don't think I'm going to now because I use paper, which doesn't work good with wet sanding. Over here, this fender is pretty much done. It's looking and feeling pretty good. So we'll get that fender off and scuff the rest of it once I get it off the car. But I'm gonna get this door done and call quits for the night. Here it is. They're all scuffed up. Yes, I have door handle on. It's not worth the trouble of trying to get it off at this point. I'll change it out after I get it on the car. He'll paint over it, whatever. We'll pull it off, put the other door handle on. We'll be good to go. Honestly, all I gotta change out is... I'll just cuff this up. This is probably like a separate piece right here. In fact, I know it is. This is all we have to change out, and the lock cylinder. So, this is all I'm going to get into today. We got all that. I'm going to leave the car up in the air. I am going to lower it down. The fender has to come off, and we'll see how much footage I have. I might get into that on this video. I don't know. Get back to you tomorrow. What is... Hey! What? I've been attacked. Okay, sit down. Back to editing. That is all we're going to get into today. So, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Like my video. Leave me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. And we'll see you on the next episode.
I'm wrecked.